Hello, my name is Aida, and today we are going to learn how to create an activity in Luca Play. First of all, we need to create an account. So after we created the account, we can go in here where it says New Activity. We click in there, and here we have all the activities that we can create. Right now we are going to use this one, Matching Columns Game. So we go to the circle and select that. Okay, then we go to where it says language and we select language English. See here where it says English. Then we can type our title. Let's see. We can outdoor activities. And as description, we can type whatever we want. Let's say right now, for example, in the beach. So they are activities we do outside our house. Let's see that. So we go down in here to fill the educational classification information. The educational system from Guatemala, and we choose which grade are we going to create the activity for. Let's say this one, and it is for English as a foreign language. Okay, then we go back to the beginning and we click on next. Okay, it will show you a tutorial of how to create your activity, but we're going to delete that, and you have here the option if you want to watch it again. Okay, then we have to edit our game. Do we want the game to have time limit? We can click in edit, and let's say yes, they have a time limit. They will have 20 seconds, for example, and a number of attempts 2. Okay, 20 seconds. Let's see. Let's say 30. Okay. Then we go to add the boxes that we want to use for date to match. Okay, so we go to add, and we're going to find two spaces, space A and space B. In each space we can type, like here, we can upload a picture, or we can add a song, or we can record an audio. But for this space A, I'm going to choose a picture. I have some pictures ready, so I'm gonna choose this one, and you can zoom it here or just use it like that. Okay, then to fill the space B, we're going to click on next. Okay, we go back in here and we start typing, or we can upload another picture, but I'm going to write a word in here. Surfing. Okay, so when we finish this one, we click in here and we have created our first column. For this example, I can create minimum 3, so I'm going to add 2 more. Okay, we click on add. In space A, I choose a picture, have this one, open, and next. Okay, then I type in here in space B, skydiving, and finish. Then we add for the third one. Then I choose a picture for space A, this one, and we click on next. Then we type in here, hiking, and finish. Okay, I already have my 3 columns, but you can create more columns if you want. Okay, then in here we are going to type the labels that we want our game to be found with. We have in here already foreign language, so we can type English, and then we click on add. For another one, let's say it can be vocabulary, and we add this one. Okay, then we can go in here where it says preview, so we can watch our game before publishing it. We have in here 30 seconds maximum time and 2 attempts. Let's go and start. So we select the first one and we choose the image we want. Right there, skydiving with this one, and hiking with this. And it shows in here our score, the time, and number of attempts. And if we want to play again, we have the option in here. Okay. So right now that we checked our game is okay, we can go to publish activity. We select in there. Let's see that everything is okay. So we go in here to our activities and we will find it in here where it says outdoor activities. Let's see. We can edit again our game if we want to change something, or we have the options in here. So this is how you create a matching columns game. I hope you like it.